Good morning, class. Today we will be doing the first topic, the determiners. So, like determiners, just like the name suggests, determine. What they determine? Determiners are the words that modify a noun, right? So, these are the words that can be used before nouns to modify their meaning. So, with the help of determiners, the noun's meaning is modifying, changes, right? So there are different types of determiners: articles, demonstrative, quantifiers, and possessive determiners. Articles, like apart from the determiners, like articles we are knowing, that is a, and, the. So first let's talk about the articles only. Articles are of two types: indefinite article and the definite one. So indefinite article, it consists of a and an. So a is used before a noun beginning with a consonant sound. So we are knowing we are using an before those words which is producing the vowel sound, vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U. Whereas a we are using before a noun beginning with a consonant. Consonant is apart from the vowel, but only the sound we have to look. It is written consonant sound, right? Then consonant sound, right? Exception are a 1 rupee coin. One O. O is what? A E I O U. O is vowel. But the sound of one, V, V. The sound is of V. Thus we are using a 1 rupee coin. Then European, U, year. So the sound is not of vowel. It is of consonant. So we are using a European, a unicorn, a university, then a union. These words are vowels only, but the sound they are producing is of consonant. So we are using a before that. Then the next one is an. When we are using an, when the sound is of vowel. So here the exception case are R. H is not a vowel, right? But the sound produced by R is of vowel. And R, A, an honest, an honest man, an MNC, an MNC. So I hope that in indefinite articles it is clear when we are using and when we are using an. Then comes the definite article the. The we are using before the singular countable noun, plural countable noun, or uncountable noun. Basically, we are using a for definite, definite, like specific, definite article. Definite words are there, then we are using the before that. Just like the Pacific Ocean, that is specified. The Ganga, the Himalayas. So this is the definite article. Next comes the demonstrative adjectives or demonstrative determiners. Like we can see this, these, that, and those. These are the four demonstrative ones which demonstrate give at what you are specifying, what thing. So this we use for singular as it is shown in the image, that only one object is there, and these we are using for multiple objects. But in this case we can see that this particular object and these particular objects are nearer to us, right? Whereas in contradictory to these, in that and those, that we are using for singular and those we are using for plural, but the object is far from us. So this is the only difference between this, these, and that, those. So first is demonstrative one. It describes the position through this, from these words, that, these, then this, those. We are just getting, we are describing the position of an object and seen from the speaker's viewpoint at how far the object is there. So first is this and these, this and these, used for singular and plural nouns respectively. So this we use for singular noun and these we use for plural nouns. It refers to objects that are near to us, right? This and these, they are referring to the object which is close to us, just like whose car is this? So we are pointing that car which is very near, close to us. This book is very interesting. So again, this. And here the subject is what? Singular one for this. Whereas in contradictory, in contrast to this, these. Whose cars are these? So cars, this is plural again. And these, right? Plural. These flowers are very beautiful. So these are what we are using, this and these, for the objects close to us. Next is that and these. That and these are used for singular and plural noun respectively, just like the before one, that is this and, sorry, this is class those. This is those. I'll correct it over here. Do not get confused with this. This is those. I am sorry for this. This is those, right? This is also those. Yes. So it refers to what? The object which is farther away, which is far from us. Just like get that dog out of here. So we are pointing out the dog is very far from us. Then those houses are for sale. So again, those houses, the singular object, the plural object. And here, those houses are far for sale. The object, the house is far from us. Then comes the quantifiers. So they serve the answer to two questions. Quantifiers, they are serving, they are giving us the answers of two questions. That is how many and how much, right? So examples are what? Examples are few, little, many, much, more, less, and so on. So these words, they are basically giving us the answer of these two questions. Then is the possession. ये मेरी चीज है. This is my, this is yours. That is possession. It tells us who owns something. So through possession we come across that who is owning that particular thing. It is used before a noun to show who owns the noun we are talking about. ये किसकी चीज है वो हमको पता चलता है through possessive. So these are the possessive adjective. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. So these are the example. This is my book. So my is possessive. The dog licked my feet, which is their car. So these my and their, it is what? Possessive. So I hope class that this much is clear to you. Thank you so much.